Because why? Nothing better pass na your health.
What's me that? Kokoro don't enter inside your head. Hey, welcome to Na Your Health. Yes, we don't start now. We don't start.
Why you can't give me a scratcher like this now?
When they say make you maintain your hair, make you clean and they wash and wear, they change hairstyle like every 2 weeks. You not green. Not carry one for how many years? Anyway, as you can see, everywhere hair full everywhere for studio today. But before we enter inside the main cocoa, my name na Dr. Adora. You know this is my suspicious baby girl where they scratch hair for national TV.
No be my fault. I am just being real. And the real person for you.
I feel you.
Oh boy, all of us they do.
Before, never see what person they do.
Hey,
now
not on style. They go just carry one small thing like this.
I said, take stylishly scratching the hair.
This is your Ninja half-cast Luchi Enobong. And on top today's show, we're going to give you better gist. Some you go laugh, some you go they wonder. But everything, the Coco be say everything about hair.
Yes, so but before we enter inside the hair matter, you know, say this Nigeria, especially here, this is our country, we say a big copy. This our Western world, Oyibo people, we they copy them where. Down to you don't see where person get go, they wear winter boots, all those high boots, inside hot sun, they trek for road.
And they use and jump bus.
Oh, Jesus. Because they see in celebrity, they see that is celebrity way like for television, say they wear the boots. So she said she go copy, I can't wear around with a mini skirt, they walk up for road.
And I saw their pancake.
The pancake because they sweat now.
They drip like this. Oh my, I'm not used to this kind of weather. Again, I'm not used to this kind of weather.
We forget our African roots.
Anyway, on top of today's show today, we go show you how our very own personal person, Kwajefa.
Exactly.
Now, Kwajefa, pronounce well, Abi.
Kwajefa.
Kwajefa. Now, wait, I make an action. I make a just do and first. I just confess now. Kwajefa. You go see how she takes style, different hair. Even this my hair, so if you see how she take pack cam. If you see the packaging, she take pack. One person here won't resemble my own. You self will say, wow. Then we'll come get another interview with one special person. I don't want to drop and finish. I know gas to drop her. You just need to stand down on top of today's show. Because today's show, no be here. And don't forget our social media, what we do. Because Facebook, Adora, she will be there for them.
We did the Twitter.
We did it.
If not Instagram, we are fooling the ground. Yeah. If you wanted to be sending us a messaging, you can send us a messaging on the email. Yeah. You want to ask us a question, we are on the email. Anyone. You want to chook mouth or you want to remove mouth, just follow us on the email. We are there for you. Yeah, so, and the matter we they talk, like my sister talked before, we concern this hair. You know, say you get some kind hairdo, some kind way you go do the hair, then some kind length of time where you go carry and where go they cost plenty gbege on top of your head. I make it.
I don't tell you this, I don't carry and pass.
I mean, don't embarrass the nation.
No, I know they no go see and they no see am. No see am.
Anyway,
thank God say they know they zoom inside. If they see the go see and don't go see.
Yes, now you know say some of the things where this thing they cost. Now this itching, this one catch where they do you so. Then for some people, because of the oil, we go food their hair.
Some people in the oil, if it's a fried egg, I no lie you. If just have to do I for do for you. I no lie you. If it's a fried egg. And you know say that oil what they talk now. Sometimes you think they come the fall reach their forehead before you know what they will get
pimples full everywhere. Pimpling things.
All over their faces. And sometimes this hair, because some people they get they get different styles of scratching. I not tell you. If you do like this, then if you come koi. Then sometimes if you just then if you use some people when the scratching figure what kind of level they go just carry biro or big. Just put all that thing.
You don't talk from experience. All this is what they do now. What do they do for us?
I no lie. Now I just the upgrade though. Before they carry hair 2 months. And I know say no be only me they do at that time because even up to now.
No, but wait. Me, I just feel say if your hair, if for example weather cold, you fit at least carry hair with 1 month. Or
it depends on the hair.
It depend. No. Of course now. Depend on the hair where you fit they wash. Like this kind now. Okay. But if you know say weather hot, where at least every 2 weeks, you go try change your hairstyle. May not be like say so that you go wash the hair, make hair for enter inside because you know say now because we want look good. This desire to look good don't they make people they do different kind of things. As in, for some people, like, they never see their hair. Nobody don't see their hair since them born them. Because every time you go to fix something. But it's good say once in a while, go just free the hair, make air the enter, make your brain self go to think well.
And then you supposed know the kind of weather way we dey. If you dey for weather where they hot, you come pack Boruvian girl. Come put 44 inches for your back. Come pack 44. I said 44. Amadumo, baby. Amadumo. Let's see what make I talk. In case the 44 there, you put 44 and here you go reach. You come put the one where you go come cover you reach here. I know they talk of here, they reach you here, and they will slap under hot sun. Haba, pity your condition. You never see the ones where one resemble Diana Ross. You see big. This one, my sister right there. This one. Times 3 of this one. It go just full everywhere. You know, go even see the person. That means if you did for ceremony, nobody will stay behind you now. Ha! That one, it was past gele. They're not going to say anything again. They're going to do like the dog say, sister, I want to see what is happening there. But sometimes you don't say this hitting of your hair just in the name of scratching. If they give you headache. Of course. That's one of the bad things of them. If they give you headache, serious headache, we don't give you one side effect or bad one with a pimple. Exactly. Pimple, especially if they like to pack oil. You wake up for morning, you go first put 1 oil, 2 oil, 3 conditioner, 4 conditioner, 5 for... And then carrying long hair for a long time. If they make you know they apply the necessary amount of moisture for your hair, because it's good make your hair get moisture. So if you know they get them, dandruff, I wait till able they call seborrheic dermatitis. This one, I think she go school. She go school. This one will just learn for your domot. You don't see when sometimes when you don't carry hair for long, they'll come they comb the hair. You think go just they fall down like cornflakes where them grind, break into plenty pieces. Wow. So they use cornflakes to illustrate and well. Now I don't see her now. Now experience, your experience. Now you know. You don't know yourself. You follow me the blue there. But really, if you can't, you just look at now the different kind hair them and the different kind hairstyle. I remember our mama and grandmama of those days. Exactly. The hairstyle will be the rain that time. It's different for waiting the rain now. At least if I don't know any hairstyle, I know bob. I know bob if I don't know any hairstyle. Don't go there like this, you can't talk her in now. Although if you flip her out like this, so I remember that hairstyle. I remember say even if you want to side part yourself, this na straight hair, now be the rain that time. Don't get wavy hair. Now the one where I remember Shao now those plenty afro because my mama they carry and wear. Afro see the natural hair. No, not be that, not be this one where they wear. But you don't say their natural afro. Their own afro even different from the afro we get now. We know they see people they carry that kind of afro again where they be. People not they like anyway, but now you know say natural hair trend don't they come back. People don't they try and maintain their own natural hair. But anyway, time don't reach when we won't begin sunt you as in give you some kind ways where you feel they pack your hair, but not be we go do more. Now our very own Kwajafa, as she they teach you how to do it yourself on top styling of the hair. So make you no come back. When we come back after her. You say make you no come back? Sorry, not verse. Not too much talk. See all this make you not go anywhere. Make you not go. So if you not go, you not go come back. Just day yet and that for your television. Oh yeah. They come back. They come back. I say I like it.
We dey come back with more informate on top na your health. So, comot your shoe or leave am.
Alright, so we are welcome to Do Am Yourself today. And what we get for Do Am Yourself today? Now, how to use your braid. Take back different hairstyles. Alright, so now I carry this my Obonge fine model come so that I go use her hair. Make I do this demonstration what I want to do. I beg make you watch what I want to do. The first one what I want pack. Now how you go pack your hair, go front. That na the side what I want pack. Just watch it now they do. Make you carry the braid from back, make you carry and pour for your front like this. If you pour out for front, you go come divide them into 2 for back like this. Then you go carry this side. If you come back and come reach front for here, this one where they here, you go come roll am like this. If you roll am, make sure say you twist am well. Come back, see am. You go twist am, come back like this. You go come put am for inside the ones where you don't do, so that it go hide, make nobody see wetin you don't pack. All right, that's not very simple thing. See what I don't do already for our hair. This one na the first one we will pack. We plait and come front, come twist them, go back, come chicken for inside. This na the first hairstyle where I don't bring come. This one, now waiting we they call fishtail be this. Now waiting I want to show you how to do. And this fishtail, now the one where you go twist, you go plait them, but now upside down. If you get your hair like this, you go divide them into two. If you divide them into two, waiting you go do be, you go carry this side, come front. This side, make it come front. Make sure that they do and they tighten them. This side make it come front. This side, make it come front. If now we've won, make sure say you do hold lamb. If you just they go like that, you go get complete fishtail waiting for my hair. And this one is fine, well. Any style, say when you don't pack and finish, go feel roll and go off anyone so that it go do well. As I do them like this, hope see you they watch waiting I they do. All right, if you use your hair, time roll and go so finish rubber. It's normal. Wait. All right, so see the next one be this. This one now waiting them they call fish tail. Hope say una don't watch as I did do them. All right, so the last one. Now so how you go here, pack your hair. You go open this one. Take use them. Do donut. Roll am. Make I do side donut for this side for her. Make sure say everything enter inside so that the donut will come out well. And this donut safe, get different style. And this one way they back, go fit also pack them to donut. So that one go dey front, the other one go be like say it dey for back. Different things the way you go fit use your braid do. So me self, if I lose this hair now braids now I go rock so that I go dey pack them. Different styles. You see this one, it dey like say this one now in the front. We forget this one, but we go feel twist them for inside. All right, see your hair. This now the 3 different styles where you go feel. Plenty other styles there where you go feel pack with your braid, but we no bring that one come. Now this 3 now I carry come today. How you go pack and come front, how you go take and do donut, and how you go do fishtail. Until another time again, when I go bring another better thing come on our way. My name na Kwajafa, and this na do am yourself. More go back go meet Dr. Adora Aluchi. Bye bye.
Now your health don't return.
Welcome back. Hope say no be only you waka come, because today episode na one in town. We still talk about hair, and before we enter that segment where you just watch, so plus including the break self, we be they give you better gist on top hair and some of the gbege where they happen for you. We like to they do like you on top your hair. Dr. Adora they use and they yab me like say she not follow
they yab you now.
Because
they do too now.
National television never catch you.
Once we day for this Naija, you know get anybody will say you never do hair like this before. Person they lie.
Forget that thing. But you see that package you Kwajafa give us.
That you know that's now why I like these braids of 18.
You see them?
Yes, because when you braid your hair like this, you feel carry any different look.
I feel decide to pack them like this.
Exactly.
All up. I feel decide to drop them one corner. I feel decide to carry and go all back.
Exactly. Anyone. If you want to be like small girl, if you want to be like a correct chick, if you want just be like a school girl, carry ponytail for this side, anyone way you like. You feel just do them on top braids. That's why you see this our African look. Now be the best.
But you know say time where I be small, I be always like Oyibo hair. Because if you get silk, not be Oyibo kind hair you carry for your right. They say
no. You see the way you talk like say na revelation.
Which kind of revelation? Now you call revelation. Now you be the prophet that you call reveal for my hair.
But you know say Oyibo children when they born they don't get hair.
Yeah, but they get that silky hair.
I see what I want talk now. They know they get hair, but we when them born us, you go full plenty hair. Some people think get plenty cause later you know go see the hair again. But Oyibo when they know they born with hair later,
and they can't get hair
long, can't fine.
Wow. All right, also still on top of the show, no go anywhere because we still get this interview with this specialist. Oh my goodness. If you miss this one, you go miss us. And if you miss us, we go miss you. And we don't want to miss you, so you need to enter on top of our different social media angles. Waka enter Facebook, waka enter Twitter, waka enter Instagram, or even send us email because we get our own personal email for the show where you fit to send us a mail. You see the picture what they see behind, so we said they enjoy the different kind hairstyles. We
like this one.
So, you know, see this. But speak. Wait, first.
Not be everybody this. Wait.
See your favorites.
No, not be my favorite. Let me show you my favorite. Abolo. I mean my favorite. You know, say some girls now in the name of fashion, they go scrape their hair like this. I beg, make we see this thing away. They go scrape them. Eh? Whether it fits you, not fit you, the only people if you get away with them now, people when they scrape and finish, they're still fine. But some people, because of fashion, they just scrape everything. They won't follow. You know them now. They're celebrating.
Yes, now.
They want to follow them. And now put one store, they form the something in the Vogue.
Before we talk finish, forget ourselves. Before we borrow leg, join leg again. Make our interview. The interview where we get we don't pack keep for you. With the specialist, we go yarn you better gist on top of the hair and how what you fit to do to make sure so you know they scratch you like this. Don't go anywhere. We they come back.
We dey come back with more information on top na your health. So, comot your shoe or leave am.
All right, time don't reach where we'll go introduce you to our better guest who we'll get for inside studio here because this guy in a professor on top of Sabinus Association. That one just means say in Sabi in work. You know when Oyinbo they say person know in onion. Yes, this guy Sabi waiting they do because for this field I mean they carry last pass. The person who they talk of in name in they call himself Life. I don't know whether that's a full name, I don't know whether that's a real name or a stage name, but him na hairstylist. So Life, thank you so you come our studio today. Thank you very much. You get our time. But first of all, the one question I want to ask, that personal question. This name, Life, is it for your birth certificate?
Yes, Victor Life did my birth certificate. Victor Life Ayo, he did my birth certificate.
You did for your death. So your papa, your mama, they answer Mr. and Mrs. Life Ayo.
My mom Life Ayo.
Okay. Don't worry. As long as you don't confirm, I'm saying Life there for your certificate. Okay. All right. So now you know so they talk about the chemicals where they for inside cosmetics, but your area of expertise now hairstyling. Yeah. So and I know say chemicals they will not they use. So first of all, I ask you fit near you know all the chemicals for all the things where they use to do hair.
The chemicals actually they plenty and the terms the Uyibo and use for them they vary. Most of them they very long. You understand? So you know they're really easy to cram all those things put for head, but I know one or two.
The crime will not even be the problem. My own be say you know the things them. You feel talk say okay this na the part of the thing where this function where this particular one they do or na this other one where this particular one they do because I know say this chemicals too plenty. Yeah. For person to know all at once. The ones where they get sent them. How your clients they take manage because I don't know whether they react to them or whether you get it as they do them for body.
Most of them get different reactions. Those people, their body system, the way different people get different way they take response to, you know, all these things. Some of them they will say, so if now these ones they get menthol smell, you know, some of them they go say, they go need something to cover their nose. And some of those ones where they say they get like ori now. Person go get some of my clients will say that if they hear smell of ori, they go be like somebody they carry on the chop. You understand? But someday we say, they don't like the smell at all. They don't like put out for their head. So people get different reactions. Some they go say, I need something to cover my nose. Some of them go just do like that. You know, they disturb them. Okay, so some clients the way you get forgiveness until they cover their nose to protect themselves. Yes. But you where they use these chemicals, especially for your hand, they use anything to cover your hand? Not only relaxer alone, they use, of course, you need to use glove because if you don't use glove, the thing will show for your nails and everything. So you need to use glove. But if not for all those smell, the thing don't master me now. I don't need to cover my nose.
You don't prove for that one. Okay, so now these chemicals now, you know, say you get some people where don't they use these chemicals, so they know if you do without this chemical on top of their hair. So those kind of people where the thing don't spoil their hair, pata, which kind of thing you say they fit to do to bring back their hair to the way we're supposed to be?
I always advise my clients to say they don't use too much chemicals, scatter their hair go. I advise them make them start afresh. because that's the best. So when you cut the hair to a particular level, you know, it doesn't have to be skin. Just cut until like normal.
You not get for big gorimapa.
No, you don't need, unless maybe the person wants to stick to gorimapa. There's some ladies who say they get nice skull. Where we say if them bag gorimapa, it go fix them.
Nice
but there are some where we see their head, they get as if they don't need to have that kind of one. Yeah.
Okay, the final one. Wait, no, me. I want to ask you, but I don't say I dey ask on behalf of people where they watch us for house. Okay. If they want to ask you more questions, because this is our segment, so they give us time to ask all the questions where they don't throw away in, make we can't ask you. But if they want to ask you any question, they want just meet you, follow you on top social media. Which social media? Floor they open. So you have the social media angles where they fit to reach you before they inflate.
Okay, my Instagram handle na LIFEE hair, LIFEE, then hair, HAIR. Then my Twitter handle, that's my Instagram. Then my Twitter handle na LIFEE, LAYIFEE.
Oh, LAYIFEE.
That's LIFEE.
That's na LIFEE.
For Twitter, yeah. Okay, then for Instagram, na LIFEE hair.
LIFEE hair.
Yeah. Then for Facebook, Victor Ayo, Victor LIFEE Ayo.
Victor LIFEE Ayo.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you very much, Victor LIFEE. I don't ever forget that name because that name no they very common at all.
Yes,
Thank you, say you come our studio today, and we
Okay.
hope say next time we will invite you. You say go fish your face for us at least to come salute your fans when they watch you for house.
No wala.
All right, so that's so you go be on top today's segment, but don't forget say the still the show now your health. Now they carry you going permanent site, so no go anywhere because we still the comeback. What a go on. Thank you very much.
Cute.
Now your health. Don't return.
Welcome back. I hope so you enjoy all the better information where they get on top of the show today. You see today episode now very simple, easy going. If you be guy if you this one not be dulling moment for you, because I know say you as a guy you go get one time when you don't enter maybe your kada or you sit down next to somebody for inside motor. Dr. Dora, as one of my brother tell me, he sit down next to another person for inside motor. He say the hair, the way that hair they. He say he look the girl, so the girl package it makes sense. But when you look up here like this, hey,
You don't see the one way with the smell. They'll come the phone flinging the hair.
you get experience. So see how to fling
Go
out
nearly
with
die.
expertise.
You go nearly die because of the oozing
Where they come out.
people go they carry their hair reach 1 month. Anyway, before we walk enter that side, that thing where we just watched, Nana, that's now why I like braids. Because with braids, that African hair now be the best as far as I dey concerned. Use African hairstyle now be the best. All this one we just they borrow once in a while, when not be the same.
I like
carry
how
last.
you say we because now you just they borrow.
Okay, because you never carry, because today you they carry kinky.
Now you
don't worry,
just
now
dey
go
borrow.
meet
You
you
no
for
dey see my
front. Now this kinky you must carry throughout this year. Not just try change am, but you get one time where short hair where they do with cap they rain where.
I remember.
You can't do one for me. From the minute where they fix am.
I said,
Kokom.
kokom,
Kokom.
totom.
Kokom, not be small thing, no. Ha! What? Is it not reach 3 days? I pull am. I not fit stand down.
And you know say even all these chemicals wey people they pack for their hair,
Yes.
the thing they enter your brain. Your body they assimilate them, your body they swallow part of these things. So you will they over pack things put for inside this your hair. That's not one of the badness where the thing they cause for inside our body. All of us the things in that decoration. Then you will talk say I know they put anything, leave my hair, make my hair dry like that. If your scalp over dry, that dandruff
Seborrheic dermatitis.
Bam.
Yes. Now be that.
it go automatically become your brother, your sister, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your husband, your wife on top. And the thing they build mountain. You don't see the one we don't build. So when you they pluck them.
Hey.
Like a mango.
Hey.
You pluck them.
Hey.
Go for your hair.
Don't get experience before.
I don't see them.
Doctor.
No, you know say if na person I go tell
The
you.
one where don't happen to me. Now the type way, because I carry hair for long, as I won't go wash the hair for salon, as I dey comb the hair. You know, come be like say the cornflakes where them break into small. They fall down like that.
Imagine. And you know say that because of the kind hair they keep, they get wetin be lice.
Hey God.
They attract lice. Lice they enter, they waka enter your hair. They dance alinko, alanta, sekem on top your head. And the thing we say they get morale because even when they try scratch and come out, they scratch and come out 500, they just they multiply on top that your head for them.
That lies for secondary school. You don't know this kind of thing where they do to a person. You can't carry fleets, all this
Insecticide them.
Spray them. Tie scarf, but they dance alanta. They dance. That's not the only way. That's not the only way that time. That's what they do for school.
No, say that fleet you get your own badness where they
I know, and they tell you what they do now.
I no be no. All this one I just dey hear am before. Hey, oh, you see, these are some of the badness what they tell you. I know say some people no be ever think am, and you will be babe. I beg. I beg. No, they carry hair reach 6 years.
No need for that. I beg. Try change hair. That's the essence. To be looking beautiful, you have to be, you know, changing your look. But you go dey wash am as you dey change am. But time don't reach when we want. That's our ogbonge, you know, specialist. We sabi this matter where we should go on sunchos some of the things where we fit do to make sure say we dey maintain kajad hair plus kajad scalp. Make our body for the very, very kajad. So make you not go anywhere. Oh. Make your eye tanda on top TV now as we dey give you these remaining things with the compare.
We dey come back with more information on top na your health. So comot your shoe or leave am. Na your health don return.
You know, say anybody wey no hear this matter today don't miss plenty things. So, and if you just dey join us, no worry, we go sunch you more things for the next episode where they come. But I just say you don't learn plenty things on top this hair matter. How you suppose they take they maintain your hair, how you suppose they take they avoid all the plenty badness where they follow carrying some kind hairstyles, and how you fit make your hair they look very different and very fine, even though not the same hair way they carry, especially with when you they carry braids. Yes, so and on top all those ones, I don't enjoy myself today because all these plenty things where we don't talk about, plus this my smally sister where they here, plus this one where they scratch her from the beginning of the show. Everything we don't do today, I just say we don't learn. You see the scratch her.
I try to see whether I build fibroid, but you know build fibroid in flat. I don't check them. You know build. I get treatment.
It is well with you.
All right, so now we don't carry our kayak come up for inside studio. Hope so you enjoy the show today. We get our different social media way if you to enter, take pursue us, and we go pursue you back bumper to bumper. We do on top of Facebook, or we do on top Twitter, and we do on top Instagram. If you want to send us personal information, to even yarn us how you think about this our show, we get our own email. Send and go our email, and we go dey very, very happy, and we go dey appreciate you inch by inch. So based on that fact, we don't want to make we overmiss you, and we don't want to make you to overmiss us. So as a Dr. Adora done by force, collect my fine hair.
You know fits me as I put like this. I don't form new style.
I bet we dey go.
We dey go.
We got to go.
Okay.
All right, for me and Dr. Adora for inside studio, we dey say bye guys. As you can see,
all right.